Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. My name is Miss Carla Thomas. Welcome back to another video. Today the video is going to be very quick. Today I just wanted to show you how I do my raspberry bowl for breakfast in the morning. As we know, it's getting a little bit chillier now in the UK, and depending where you are too, most likely it's getting chillier wherever you are, say in America or Canada or elsewhere. And I wanted to show you a quick breakfast raspberry bowl that I've done here. So in here we've got some raspberries, we've got some sliced banana, we've got some cranberries, and we've got some oats on top. Now this is a very light breakfast. You can have this early in the morning. Now what I've been doing here of late before I head off to work is that I normally have a little sip of apple cider vinegar in the morning with a little bit of water, just to balance my stomach. Usually when we get up from sleep, as we say, from breaking a fast, from not eating over the night period, sometimes our stomachs can behave oddly depending on the person. Now for myself, I've been having it and it's been helping me a whole lot. So I have this in the morning before I have anything else to eat, and then my stomach settles. And then I would probably have some porridge, or I'd have maybe a piece of fruit, and that will take me throughout the day. But today I just wanted to show you this very quick video here of what I've prepared. It's a very quick thing. Raspberries, bananas, sliced bananas, oats, cranberries, and a little bit of sugar, brown sugar, and a little bit of honey. Now you would think, is this going to be very sweet? Not really. Depending on how much sugar and how much honey you put in there, it would be sweet. So you put it to your own taste, really. And that's basically it. Now if you wanted to step it up a notch, you can actually warm this through on the stove slightly with a little bit of more porridge oats than normal. And if you're a milk drinker, you have some milk with it, or you have some almond milk, and there you have a full breakfast to get you going in the morning. So I just wanted to show this quick video to everyone today. Thank you for all the people who have been following me on my mindful eating podcast. I've had so much interest in the podcast, and I just wanted to share that. So I just want to thank everyone for taking the time to listen to the podcast and really spend time listening to what I have to offer on mindful eating. Like I said, I hope to offer more opportunities about the channel and what I've been offering as we go along. And as I said, mindful eating is hopefully going to be a consulting service as we move along. So that's the video for today. I hope this was something interesting for someone. I'll put the recipe down in the description box, but this is not really a recipe as such. It's just something that you can put together quickly early in the morning to have something to eat before you leave your home, or even whilst you're at home if you work from home, whatever. Thank you for listening and have a very good day.